They gave me a bag because remember I ordered online, so I didn't have a bag. So I'm happy to have a nice little bag. And I guess this is like a second unboxing. So yeah, here's the box. Hey guys. So, just a quick vlog today. I'm on my way to Saks Fifth Avenue in New York City. Because if you saw my other video, I purchased a pair of Gucci sandals and all was well, but in one pair of the soles, like it wasn't like completely sealed. I don't know how to explain it to you, but I can kind of show you when I get back. But long story short, I'm taking them back so that I can just get another pair, because you know, to pay for a luxury product, you want to make sure you have quality in the product. It was quality, it's just that one of the soles of the shoe seemed like it was coming, like it was not like sealed, it was like separating. So I looked on the website and I think they do have them in stock in my size, so I'm hoping to just take them back and exchange them because I really like them. And yes, I'm walking there now to exchange them. Hopefully all is well, and I hope they have it, because I was like looking to see like what time they open today. And they open at 7. No, they open at 11, and it's like almost noon right now. It is noon. A little. I'm sorry, I'm crossing the street. It's a little afternoon, so I'm like, I hope nobody took my size. But I think I should be good. I also have a video shoot today, guys. I have a video shoot today. I went swimming earlier. I took like about a week and a half off from swimming, but I'm back to swimming again, and I'm making progress. I'm making so much progress. Hopefully one day I can take myself swimming for you so you can see my progress. And that's it. So I'm going to Saks and we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted. I'm in the elevator on my way up. The shoe section is on the 8th floor. It is so hot. You see me sweating already. My skin is glowing now. All right, let's do this. Here's the Gucci. So I saw the rep and I'm waiting now for him to bring another pair. Hopefully they have my size. Let's see. Perfect, we found a good pair. Yeah, everything is good. Okay, so they have my size, and I had to look through a couple of them to see like which ones look, because they showed me another pair, and then like part of the sole was kind of still messed up. I was like, no, because I'm really picky. Like if I'm gonna be spending, you know, money on my sandals, especially for Gucci, I want a perfect pair. So he went to exchange it. I gave him my receipt, and now I'm waiting, but I'm gonna just double check before I leave the store to make sure I have what I want, because I have heard stories about Saks, you know, things happening. I don't know what the deal is, but so far so good. Okay, all is well. I got my shoes. I wanted to check them before I left, but he was like, don't worry about it. This is not the box that you had. So I should be good. When I get home, I'll just recheck them again and I'll be good. So all is well. Thank you, Saks Fifth Avenue, for taking care of me. I'm a very happy customer, and I'm gonna go. I mean, normally I might stop downstairs to look at the bags, but I have to go. I gotta get ready for my video shoot today. But awesome, happy. Okay guys, so I am back from my little excursion to Saks Fifth Avenue. Everything turned out awesome. I'm so happy. So basically what happened, to recap of everything, I ordered online, and the video should already be up of when I did the unboxing. I ordered the Gucci sandals online, and then after I did the video, the unboxing with you guys, because when I opened it, was my first time opening it on camera with you guys. And then later on, I like looked at the soles of the shoes to examine them more. And let me show you what I'm talking about. 1 minute. Yeah, I examined them more, and I noticed like on the soles, and I'm gonna show you right now when I take them out the box, like the sole was separated like some. And let me show you right now so you can see what I'm talking about. So now they gave me a bag, because remember I ordered online, so I didn't have a bag. So I'm happy to have a nice little bag. And I guess this is like a second unboxing. So yeah, here's the box, and you guys know the pricing and everything like that. It's right there. But I didn't pay that full price, because remember I got my Rakuten discount and then my cashback rewards on my card, so I paid a little less than this. And that's the box. And the dust bags are on the top. And he wrapped it up really nice for me. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about with one of the shoes. Okay, this one is good. Okay, you see here on the side of the shoe, the sole of it. Now, these are the new ones that I just got, so you're not gonna see it, but it's sealed all the way around. Like, you don't see a separation. But on the shoes that I had, like, you could kind of see like it's two like pieces of leather like together, and then it's sealed. But on the ones that I received, there was like a separating, like a line in the middle, and it was like separated. It wasn't like fully sealed like this one. Yeah, so that's why I took it back. Like, stuff like that annoys me. So when he brought 3 pairs out for me to just look and see, make sure everything. So then another pair that he brought out, the sole was attached, but then something with like over here, like, I don't know, this was all wrinkled up. I don't know. Gucci, you guys better look at your inventory before you send them out. Like, everything needs to be pristine and needs to be perfect, because customers are paying good money for your stuff, and you know, you should value how you're presenting your products. That's just a word, you know, of advice to you guys, no shade. So yeah, so when he brought out another one, like something like, it was like all wrinkled up like right here, and I was like, no, I don't like that one. Can you just please get... So he was really kind. His name was Greg. That was my shopping assistant. Very you know, accommodating. He didn't have an attitude, he didn't have a problem. So kudos to you guys, because you did give me very good customer service. So let me show you again my sandals. So he wrapped them up really, really nicely. And yeah, you see everything is good. The sole is sealed. Yeah. So these are them. These are them. They are so beautiful, guys. I love them. It took me a while to figure out like if I was gonna get them, because remember I saw them in person on the 4th of July. They have, oh, I just finished wiping my table with Lysol wipes. So let me make sure. Yeah, everything is good. Yeah, these are them, and I'll try them on for you again. Very, very nice. There you go. It's perfect. This is just perfect size. It's not too big, not too small. I had, these are 838, and I tried on the 939 like the last time I went in, but they were too big. Like, these are like literally just right, because I normally wear a size 7 and they tell you to size up, so I sized up to a size 8. So yeah. So that's it, guys. That's it for my exchange at Gucci. They were very nice to me, very accommodating. It wasn't a problem. I received the sandals yesterday. I woke up early this morning and went to return them, and I got exactly what I wanted. So I'm a happy customer, and I can't wait to take pictures for you guys. I'll leave the link in the description to Saks website as well as Gucci's website if you want to buy it, and I'll also leave a link to my Rakuten referral code. If you guys would like to join Rakuten, you use my referral code, we'll both get $30 when you first make a purchase. And Rakuten is how I was able to get a discount on these Gucci sandals. They were having a 10% discount on Rakuten, so I used that, as well as my credit card that had cashback rewards, and I used that as well, and then just pay the bill at the end of the month, and I got them for less than what they are. So if you guys want to get discounts to your favorite stores, definitely check out Rakuten and use my discount code so that you can get $30 and I can get $30. Everything will be in the description box. Follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma for You Style, where you see me style these and some other outfits. Follow my business Instagram, Kharyzma for You Fashion, and definitely check out my website, kharyzmaforyou.com, for lip gloss, cosmetics, and other accessories, and my Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for You, for hair accessories and other custom clothing made by me, Kharyzma for You. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Bye.